What's up, guys? Marco from Auto Magicians here, and today we're discussing auto insurance claims. What are the typical procedures? What are your rights? And where should you take your car? If you live in the GTA and if you ever have to file a claim, whether it's collision or comprehensive, chances are you'll be calling a 1-800 number that leads you to your insurance company's claims department. From there, you speak to a claims representative who will ask you a bunch of questions to verify the details of your claim. For example, verification questions about you and your car, as well as details of the claim like whether or not the car is drivable, was there another car involved, what was damaged in the incident, road conditions, etc., etc. They enter all the data, and at the end of a roughly half an hour conversation, you'll be given a claim number that is used to track and bill out any repairs or rental vehicles. At the end of the process, they'll ask you if you have a shop in mind to take your car, or they'll recommend that you use one of their preferred shops to complete the repairs. A preferred shop works through your insurance company's direct repair program. It's a relationship between an auto body shop and an insurance company whereby the auto body shop benefits from a steady stream of referrals and the insurance company gets to have a great deal of say into how a car is repaired. The benefits for the car owner are that it takes the guesswork out of their hands and somewhat simplifies the claims process. However, due to the nature of the relationship, the preferred shop's obligation is only to the insurance company, not you, the car owner, and that may not be the best thing. Before you agree to have your car repaired at any facility, do your research, check the online reviews, visit the facility, make sure you don't sign anything until you've made your choice. And it is your choice. An insurance company cannot stop you from having your car repaired at the place of your choosing, but they'll probably try pretty hard to convince you to take it to one of their shops, saying it will take longer or cost more or issues with warranty. Bottom line, if you take your car to a reputable shop whose only obligation is to you and not some insurance company, chances are they'll do everything they can to make you happy, maintain the reputation, and keep you as a customer. So remember, it's your choice where to take your car. As always, Auto Magicians is here and happy to help you with the claims process. So that's it for this one. If you have any questions or you'd like a free estimate, please feel free to stop by, send us an email, or call. Don't forget to check out our website, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.